In this video, I'll share with you how to fix bad breath permanently in 5 minutes. Bad breath has become a common problem these days. It can happen to anyone when the foul smell starts coming from the mouth. You do not know, but also your closest friends don't tell you sometimes, because they think you will feel bad. When you talk to someone, they make a dirty face, talk a little far away, or maybe close their nose, and then you think something is wrong and feel embarrassed. Then you'll find solutions. So after following these steps, you'll comment below, "I cured my bad breath problem." I know that you do everything to look better, so I know you will be brushing every day and cleaning your tongue as well. Why I'm telling you this? Because sometimes dirt accumulates in the mouth, so I am going to tell you very powerful remedies that can cure bad breath problems in 5 minutes. Take small cardamom and clove, press it in the tooth and suck it slowly. Don't do it in such a way that chewing fast and throwing it. It takes 3 to 5 minutes and then throws it out. If you do this, then within 5 minutes, you will get rid of bad breath problems. And if you want to fix it forever, then you start doing it 3 to 4 times a day. When you feel that you are completely cured, then leave it. If the video is informative, like the video, also share. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe.